Hey guys, this is Yanks Rock 1000 here with an unboxing of the new 2018 MacBook Air. So Apple announced this a couple weeks ago and just released it a couple days ago now. So there was a pretty good sale at Micro Center, $200 off. So this guy was only $9.99, so I picked it up. So this is the, taking a look at the specs on the back, this is the silver model, 128 gigs of storage, 13 inches. I'm not sure if it's going to be enough storage, so I mean, they do have a return policy at Micro Center, so we'll see. But here is the unboxing, so we'll get into it. There's like a tab here, so open that up. Slide this plastic off. Alright, so this is the new MacBook Air. I remember I had the old MacBook Air, and that design has been around since like 2010 or 2011, so it's been a while since Apple updated it. So we'll open this up, slide this top part off, and there it is, the silver MacBook Air. They don't have the illuminated Apple logos anymore, so that's kind of interesting. So this is like a silver logo. See if we get that in the frame. We'll lift up the side tab here. Oh, nice. So it has like some plastic over it. We'll put this aside for 1 second, and we'll take a look at the accessories inside. Of course, no more MagSafe. So this is a USB-C connector. This MacBook has 2 USB-C connectors on the left and a headphone jack, and that's it. So they give us the USB-C connector, but I believe there's no... Oh, there is a brick inside. So that's how you charge this MacBook Air. I'm sure the Apple stickers are in here somewhere, so we'll take a look at the laptop itself. We'll take this plastic off. Nice, satisfying noise. And there it is. It feels really nice, really light. You can see the single headphone jack on the side here, the 2 USB-C ports, and taking a look at it, it's really thin and really clean looking laptop. Alright, so I'm not sure if there's any battery in it or anything. So we'll try to power it on. And there's a little plastic over the screen. And there is some battery, and you see it just booting right up right now. So you could take a look at that. It looks really nice on first impressions. The trackpad is really large. It has those new Butterfly Generation 3 keyboards. And of course it has that Touch ID. So I'll go through the setup process. I'll probably skip this for the video. Alright, so it just finished going through the setup. Again, on first impressions, this laptop looks really nice. Trackpad's really large. Touch ID seems to be working pretty well. I really like the sound of the keyboard. This 3rd generation Butterfly, Apple did a good job, I think, with this latest generation. I wasn't a big fan of the previous 2 versions of this keyboard. So we'll go into the specs. Of course, it's the MacBook Air, 1.6 gigahertz Core i5, 8 gigs of RAM. Of course, it has that Retina display, which everyone seems to be excited about. Yeah, this MacBook is kind of in a weird place in Apple's lineup. There's like the 13-inch MacBook Pro without the Touch Bar, there's the 12-inch MacBook, and then there's this MacBook Air that's kind of in the middle in terms of performance. So we'll see how it performs. I guess that's the big question. So yeah, just a quick unboxing and first look at this new MacBook Air. I'm glad that the MacBook Air finally seems to be modern again compared to other laptops out there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.